Hey friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and today I'm very excited to show you a brand new heat press that is part of the Stahls Clam Basic family. This is the Basic Cap Press. Now the Stahls Clam Basic Cap Press is a lightweight, affordable option to heat press caps, hats, or even easily decorate sleeves and those inside tag prints. Now this entry-level press is packed with features that make this an incredible value. Coming in under the price point of the Fusion IQ 360, Hotronix Auto Cap, and also that Max Cap heat press. With heat printing, we rely on those three elements. That's time, temperature, and pressure, and this press has them all covered. First, let's power the machine on with the on-off switch here in the back of the unit. Once we're powered on, we can check out the digital display on the control board of the unit. This display allows you to set your temperature and your press time using this easy to navigate interface. You can enter the main menu by pressing the center mode button. And then you could adjust the temperature using the up or down arrow buttons on each end. Here, we're gonna set this press to 335 degrees. Now, once we're done, a press of the middle button takes us to our time setting, where we are going to select 12 seconds today. One more push of the center button exits the menu and shows us the current temperature. Now, this is very important that you exit the menu because this upper heating platen will not heat up when the menu is active. Let's focus on that third part of the heat printing trinity, the pressure. Now here, right underneath the removable platen is the pressure adjustment dial. This knob raises and lowers the platen here to change the pressure. It's easy to access and allows for easy adjustments when you're switching styles of hats that vary in thickness. Now, speaking of this lower platen, I did mention that these are removable and work with any of the different sizes of cap platens available from Stahls. One last feature on this press that we'll cover today is common on almost all cap presses, and that is the hold down lever right here on the right-hand side. You'll notice that this lever allows you to put tension on the back of the hat to hold it flush against the platen when we are pressing. I want to show you how versatile this press can be for you. So first up, we are going to press a hat on this platen. We'll go right here from the side and load this onto the platen. I want to make sure that everything is nice and flat against that printing area, and we'll lock it right on down. Next, we'll pre-press the hat, removing any moisture and wrinkles. Once we are pre-pressed and ready to go with our cap on the platen here, we'll go ahead and grab our transfer and lay it down right here on the front of our hat. Once we're happy with the placement on it, we'll go ahead and press this for our selected time. And with Goof Proof, it's a hot peel, so we'll peel the carrier away immediately. Just release the lever and we have an absolutely awesome print right here on our hat. Something like a dad hat fits on the exact same way. Of course, we'll want to make sure that this inside band is down and around on the press. We'll go ahead and pull everything flush right up against the platen and release our lever to lock it down in a nice, smooth, even printing surface right here. So that goes the same with these hard, structured front caps. Slide it in right around the side. We'll go ahead and pull this down and press. One tip that I want to mention before we move any further is about avoiding any creasing on the crown of the cap. Now this is very common with almost any cap press like this, and it's an issue that's resolved if you do step all the way up to the Fusion IQ 360 with its molded lower platen. But sometimes, especially on these foam front trucker caps, you could get a slight crease in the crown. Now, there is a tip that I want to show you today that would let you completely eliminate this issue from pressing on these foam front trucker caps, and all it's going to involve is just a mouse pad. What this is going to do is soften the edge of the back side of this platen here, reducing the chances of creasing the crown on the top of the cap. If you're printing on any hats that have that hard structured front on the hat itself, you may not need this method. Once we have our mouse pad in place, we can just go ahead and take any thermal transfer tape and just tape this onto our platen And this is just such a great, inexpensive way to ensure some quality pressing. Now, once we're all set with our mouse pad in place, we could go ahead and reload our cap right back onto this platen. Again, folding down the interior band on the press. We'll go ahead and take our transfer and lay it right down onto the printing area. If you're afraid about it moving around, you could grab some more of that tape and tape the graphic down before you apply it. Once you're happy with the placement, we'll go ahead and press this cap. Here we'll remove our cap from the press and we'll peel our transfer away hot. And there you have it, one perfectly printed foam front trucker hat. We don't have any creasing on the hat at all. Did you know that distressing textures just like the one used on this goof-proof screen print are available for free in the EasyView Online Designer? Pretty cool. You could also print inside tag prints and sleeve prints right here with the same machine. We do have a 100% cotton Port & Company t-shirt. We could put it straight on over our platen here. We'll go ahead and rip our tearaway tag away so we have a nice even surface. Now all we have to do here is follow the same goof-proof instructions that we always do. So we'll go ahead here and pre-press and adjust our pressure because we noticed that it was a little light. We'll go ahead and take our transfer and lay it face down on the printing area right here. Now we'll go ahead and close the press. When you set that time, as soon as you close the press, it starts ticking, and when it's finished, you get the beep. So we'll go ahead and open up the press. We'll peel our goof-proof transfer away. We can remove our shirt from the platen, and there you have it, an inside tag print, super easy. Another great feature of having a cap press is making sleeve prints an absolute breeze. So all you have to do is find the center of the sleeve on any short sleeve t-shirt and then just drape it around the platen. Then all you have to do is go ahead and put your graphic on here. We would be upside down with the current placement and we would go ahead and press. Super simple. The Stahls Clam Basic Cap Press is available now exclusively at transferexpress.com. If you have any questions that we didn't cover here today, just let us know in the comments section below. Be sure to subscribe to the Transfer Express YouTube channel to stay up to date on tons of helpful t-shirt business tips, tricks, and inspiration. But until next time, I'm Dave, and happy pressing.